Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Lamborghini Huracan full guide. Start by prioritizing safety and documentation, secure a workspace, and create a detailed parts list. Inspect donor cars and measure mounting points before disassembly. Organize tools, fasteners, and wiring looms to streamline assembly. Take photos during teardown to aid reassembly and label components for quick reference. Keep realistic expectations about cost and time. Begin by measuring the donor chassis against Huracan dimensions and confirm suspension geometry matches your design. Reinforce load paths and add custom subframes where the engine and gearbox will mount. Use jigs to keep everything square during welding and test fit body panels, often to avoid misalignment. Prioritize corrosion protection with primer and seam sealers after welding. Document modifications for regulators and future maintenance. Quick recommendation and friendly plug. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more builds. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals, wiring diagrams, and repair guides anywhere you work, and it's easy to carry into the garage without dirtying it. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Select an engine and transmission combination that fits mid-engine packaging and meets your performance targets. Then design custom mounts and a subframe to secure them. Fabricate or source drive shafts and half shafts to match wheel hubs and ensure proper differential cooling. Route coolant and oil lines away from heat sources and protect wiring harnesses with heat shielding. Test for vibrations and tune engine management for drivability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.